Yes. Jai Hind and hello everyone. Welcome back to Crack Grade B. This is Sunil Jangid, and today we shall start a chapter conjunction, right? Till now we have completed a chapter that was subject verb agreement. That was your first chapter, and second one was noun, right? So we have completed two different chapters successfully, and now we are going to start one of the most important chapters, that is conjunction. I told you in the first class some of the important chapters if you talk about, and if you are preparing for any of the banking exam like grade B, or many of them like clerk level exams or PO, whatever. Some of the important chapters are, you can say, that is subject verb agreement, noun, conjunction, tense, preposition, determiners, and after that you can see conditional sentences. These are the most important chapter, my dear students, right? So we shall cover all these chapters in depth and detail, and we also discuss some of the vocabulary parts, and we have covered, I have told you, different methods, techniques, or you can say strategies to cover, to solve para jumbles, or you can say paragraph jumbles. So we shall discuss a class on filler soon, right? So today we are going to start a chapter conjunction. This is very important chapter, and you have to understand it carefully, right? You have to listen me carefully. You can just make your class notes uh, with the help of these videos, lectures, right? And just comment ROD and video clear, is everything okay, and kindly share this session with all your friends and relatives. Invite them all. These are very important session for you, so invite all your friends who are preparing for grade B exam or whatever, right? Invite them all, and we are going to start chapter conjunction, right? So this is very crucial chapter for you, you can say, right? Because when you talk about paragraph jumbles, or when you talk about fillers, chapter conjunction is very important for you can say fillers point of view or paragraph jumbles point of view. These chapters helps a lot. Okay, these chapters helps a lot in different comprehension part also. So we have to understand ki what is conjunction, how it works, what are different types of conjunctions and their application as well, right? So we have to understand it all. So let us start. What is the definition of conjunction, right? It matters a lot how this definition of conjunction work. We have to understand the segment. So if you talk about definition, so it is a word. Conjunction is a word, you can say, which connects. Conjunction, what it does, it connects, right? Or you can say it joins, or you can say it links, right? More than one, make it sure, more than one, you can say it can 220, 200, 2000, 2 million, billion, whatever. More than one, but it must be more than one. More than one what? More than one words, more than one phrases, more than one clauses, or more than one sentences, right? So conjunction is a word which connects, which joins, which links more than one words, more than one phrases, more than one clauses, or more than one sentences, is called what? Conjunction, right? So let us understand the definition, how conjunction connects more than one words, more than one phrases, clauses, and sentences. So let's discuss the definition, how it works. Okay, you have a sentence, I prefer, or you can say I like coffee and milk. If I say I like coffee and milk, right? So in this sentence, you know it very well. Word coffee is a noun. This one is word first, right? This one is the first word, and word milk is the second word, and this word and is a conjunction and it connects more than one. It can be 2, it can be 20, 200, right? Whatever. It is going to connect two different words. So let's imagine when conjunction was not here in our language, when conjunction was not there, so how we used to speak such sentences to convey our meaning, to convey our messages, right? How could we speak at that time when conjunction was not present? So to speak such sentence in absence of conjunction, we used to speak like, I like coffee, I like coffee, full stop. Again, we used to say, I like milk. We used to speak like this, right? I like coffee, I like milk, because you know it very well, conjunction was not at that time. When conjunction was not there, we used to speak so many sentences to convey our meaning, to convey our information, or to convey our message, right? We used to erect so many sentences, right? So when conjunction designed, now we know it very well कि in both the sentences we have two different words. One word is noun, first is coffee, noun second is milk, and rest words are similar. This subject is similar, this verb is similar, right? Both subject and verb are similar. So after you can say, after constructing conjunction, what we did, we just we kept the subject and verb similar, right? And we have just connected two different noun with the help of conjunction. And after designing the conjunction, we just you can say कि we just made the number of sentences less, and in single sentence we conveyed our meaning, or we conveyed our message, right? So just suppose कि if you just when conjunction was not here and you went to market to get some groceries, or you can say to get some spices, or you can say when you went to market to bring rations, then how tough that was to convey ki what did you purchase from the market. It means कि to tell it to others, it would take at least 2 hours to just convey ki you purchase this thing, this thing, right? So you used to just erect so many sentences to convey the message, but with the help of conjunction, it become more easy for us, and with the help of a single sentence you just conveyed the entire meaning in the sentence. Yeah. Chalo to. So just take another example. If I say I forgot, let us discuss how conjunction connect more than one words, right? If I speak I forgot to bring my laptop, camera, mobile, and charger. If I speak like this, I forgot to bring my laptop, camera, mobile, and charger. In this sentence, you know, different four nouns we have. We have different four nouns. You can say first noun is what? Laptop. This one is the first noun. This one is the noun second. This one is the noun third. This one is the noun fourth, right? Different four nouns you have. And make it sure when you have so many nouns to connect, right? So what is the way, what is the exact way to connect different words? Let it clear, make it sure. If you have four different nouns, then we connect something like this. If you have different four nouns, we just connect second last means C and or D. We just connect like this. Mean to say, we always connect second last word with the last word, right? Second last and last words, these two words are connected with the help of conjunction and or, right? Rest nouns will be separated with the help of commas. If you have different four nouns, you just connect like this. If you have different three nouns, you connect like second last is B and the last one is what? If you have different three nouns and C, you just connect like this. If you have two different nouns, you just say A and B, right? If you have two words. If you have 100 words, we just speak like 96, 97, 98, 99. Second last and last is connected with the help of a conjunction and or. This second last and last will be connected with the help of and or. Rest nouns will be separated with the help of comma. With the help of comma, rest nouns will be separated. Just speak like this. So how an error can be there in the sentence? This is the third noun, this is the last noun, and both the nouns are connected with the help of conjunction and or. So error will be there if I use another conjunction and between camera and mobile. If I just add conjunction and between camera and mobile, then error will be there in the sentence. So speak like, I forgot to bring my laptop, comma my camera, comma my mobile and charger. We speak like this, right? So you know it very well. If you have 100 nouns or 100 words to connect, then we just connect with the conjunction and or we connect to second last and last word. Means 99th and 100 word we connect with the help of conjunction and or. Rest words will be separated with the help of comma, right? So this is the way. If you and conjunction and between camera and mobile, then error will be there, because when you have different four nouns, we have to connect second last means third noun and last noun with the help of a conjunction, right? So let us move forward. And when conjunction was not there, we used to speak this sentence like, I forgot to bring my laptop, full stop. I forgot to bring my camera, full stop. I forgot to bring my mobile, full stop. I forgot to bring my charger. So that was so tough to convey the message. But with the help of conjunction, it became quite easy for us to convey the message, right? So let us move to next situation, how conjunction connect phrases. So how conjunction connect phrases? Let us learn what is phrase. What is phrase? This is important to know. Phrase is what? Make it sure whenever you get a preposition, whenever you get a preposition in a sentence, and preposition are used before a noun or pronoun. Prepositions are used before noun or pronoun. So preposition plus noun is equal to always what? Phrase. Preposition plus noun, collectively it becomes what? Phrase. And make it sure this phrase acts either as an adjective or as an adverb. Phrase always can be either adjective or adverb. So how conjunction connects phrases? Let us learn with the help of an example. If I say one example, he always sits in the class, or in the library. He always sits in the class or in the library. So in this sentence, we know it very well. This word sits is a verb, and after this verb, in is a preposition and class is a noun. So this word preposition in plus noun class, preposition plus noun is equal to phrase, and this one is the phrase first, and after that in preposition library is the noun. So again preposition plus library noun, now it becomes phrase, and this one is the phrase second. And to connect two different phrases, we have a conjunction what? Or is a conjunction. So by this method, by this way, conjunction connect more than one phrases, and make it sure like words conjunction connect more than one. It can be 220, 200, 2000, right? Phrases can be there, but the way will be similar. We always connect last phrase with the last phrase, second last phrase with the last phrase, right? And rest phrases will be separated with the help of commas, right? So this sentence is okay. And another sentence, if I say, another sentence is, if I say, you can meet me, you can meet me at my office or at my house. You can meet me at my office or at my house. In this sentence, you know it very well. This meet is a verb, this one is me is an object, and after object at is a preposition, and my office is a noun, preposition plus noun. This is phrase, phrase first, and preposition at, my house is a noun, so this one is a phrase, phrase second. And to connect two different phrases, this word or is a conjunction. So conjunction connects words as well as phrases, right? Phrases, make it sure, phrase is what? Preposition plus noun is always called phrase, and this phrase usually acts as an adjective or as an adverb, right? So in both the sentences, this phrase is an adverb to qualify verb. The person is saying he always sits in the class. So in the class is the reply of where. If I put question, if I ask question, how can you put questions? Where does he always sit? Where does he always sit? Reply will be he always sits in the class or in the library. So reply of where is always adverb. So this, both the phrases are adverb, and this or is a conjunction which is going to connect two different adverbs, right? So remember this one also. Let us move to the next one. How adverb connect clauses. How adverb connect clauses. So now we shall discuss what is clause actually. What is clause? Let us learn. Okay, move to the next slide. If I just talk about clause. Clause is what? Make it sure clause is a combination of subject plus predicate. Subject plus predicate. Collectively it becomes what? Clause. Subject plus predicate is equal to what? Is equal to, it is clause. Okay. Subject is what? Subject is something. Subject, you can see. Subject is something or someone whom we talk about. Whom we talk about is called what? Is called subject, whom we talk about. And predicate is what? Predicate is whatever is talking about the subject. Whatever is talking about the subject. Whatever is talking about the subject is called what? Predicate. And subject plus predicate, it becomes clause. Subject plus predicate, it becomes clause. So let us learn with the help of a conjunction. If I say I was doing my work. I was doing my work and they were doing their own work, right? Okay, the sentence is I was doing my work. Okay, the sentence is I was doing my work and they were doing their own work. In this sentence, you know it very well, like here word I is a subject, right? As we know, word I is a subject and the rest words was doing my work. This one is a predicate, and subject plus predicate collectively it becomes what? It becomes clause. This one is the clause first, and again they is a subject and rest words are predicate. This one is the clause second, and this word and is a conjunction which is used to connect more than one clauses. So this is the way by which conjunction connect more than one clauses. These clauses can be 220, 200 to 2000, right? They can be anything. Their number can be anything, right? But it must be more than one. So by this method, conjunction connect not only words, not only phrases, but also clauses, right? And I said clause is a connection of subject and predicate. Subject is what? Subject is something we talk about, something some subject is something or someone whom we talk about, right? And the predicate is whatever is talking about the subject, that is called predicate, and collectively subject plus predicate becomes what? Clause, right? So by this method I have proved how conjunction connect more than one clauses. So let's discuss now कि how conjunction connects more than one clauses, more than one sentences. Make it sure the definition of clause and sentences are similar, right? Mean to say, clause is something you can say group of words with some meaning is called clause, and sentence, the definition of sentence if you talk about, that is also similar. Sentence is something like that, that is connection of words with some meaning, that is called sentence. So in this example you can say two different clauses are connected by conjunction and, or you can also say two different sentences are connected with a conjunction and. So by this example we can understand how conjunction connect clauses or sentences, because the definition of clause and sentences are similar, right? So by this method you can understand how conjunction connect clauses and sentences. Okay, now we have understood how conjunction connect more than one words, clauses, phrases and sentences. Now let us learn types of conjunction. This is very crucial, or this is very important for you, because questions from the types are usually seen in different exams. So I will tell you different types of conjunctions and we also understand them, right? And we also discuss how questions comes in the exam from types of conjunction, right? So let us discuss types of conjunction, and the first type is that is coordinate conjunctions. Coordinate conjunctions. Okay, you know what is the meaning of coordinate? Coordinate means co means similar, co means similar, and ordinate means rank, you can say. So coordinate conjunctions are those which connect same, or you can say equal ranks, same or equal ranks of structures, same ranks of structures, or you can say equal ranks of structures, right? Or you can say these are, what are coordinate conjunctions? So make it sure these are fanboys, and this fanboys is a acronym, right? This fanboys is an acronym, you can say. You have different 7 letters in this acronym fanboys, and each letter denotes to a particular conjunction. How it denotes to a particular conjunction, you can just learn like this. Fanboys, if I write different 7 letters it has, and each letter denotes to a conjunction, like F denotes to for, A denotes to and, N means nor, B denotes to but, B denotes to but, O denotes to or, Y means yet, and this so denotes, S denotes to what? So these are coordinate conjunction. If you are if you don't remember or if you don't recognize coordinate conjunctions, just try to recall a word, fanboys. If you recall fanboys, and if you know these 7 letters denotes to different 7 conjunctions, by learning this word fanboys, you will be able to recall what are coordinate conjunctions actually, right? So always remember fanboys. When it comes to fanboys, it means you are talking about coordinate conjunctions, right? Fanboys. Okay, let us discuss it further. Fanboys, coordinate conjunctions. Coordinate conjunction, if you just further divide these coordinate conjunctions, first one is accumulative conjunctions. Accumulative conjunctions, right? And this accumulative conjunctions are those which add words or phrases and make it sure conjunction and comes under accumulative conjunctions, right? After that second one is adversative. Adversative are those conjunctions which show contrast, or opposition, and make it sure but yet. Both these conjunction but and yet are what? Adversative conjunctions. And third one is you can say alternative. Alternative are those conjunctions which show option, or you can say which show choice, option or choice, right? And make it sure or nor. These two conjunctions comes under alternative conjunctions. And last one is, that is elative conjunction. And elative conjunctions are those which show result or purpose or result. Conjunctions which show purpose or result are called what? Elative conjunction. And make it sure, to show purpose we have a conjunction for, and to show result we have a conjunction so. So these 7 conjunctions are coordinate conjunctions. You know the acronym, fanboys is the acronym. And if you just further divide these coordinate conjunction, you will find that is accumulative, and after that adversative. The third one is, you can say, third one is alternative conjunctions, and fourth one is elative conjunctions, right? And these are the further division of coordinate conjunctions, fanboys. I hope you are getting my point. So let us move forward and let us learn how coordinate conjunctions work. And this is the most important concept, and make it sure students usually commit mistakes while dealing with coordinate conjunctions. So let us learn how these conjunctions work in a sentence, right? Or in language, or in any exam. Let us take some examples. You have some of the examples, like if I say, first one is this person is rich but miser. First sentence, this person is rich but miser. Second sentence is, he jumps from so high a building. He jumps from so high a building. He must be brave, or fool. Okay, two different sentences you have. First one is, this person is rich but miser, and the second one is, he jumps from so high a building, he must be brave or fool. So what do you think of both the sentences, and what is error part according to you? What is error part? What do you think of both the sentences, and how can you improve both the sentences? This is very important, and we are discussing coordinate conjunctions. Coordinate conjunctions are those which connect same ranks, equal ranks of structures, right? Improve the sentence. This person is rich but miser. Let us learn, let us discuss. in the first sentence, you know it very well. This word rich is an adjective in nature. This word is adjective in nature. This word but is a coordinate conjunction, and this word measure, right? So coordinate, how it coordinate conjunction? When it connects same ranks, equal ranks, and make it sure whenever you just write in English or whenever you read in English, we just move from left to right. We just move from our left hand to right hand. We just write like this. From left hand we start and we go till right hand, right? And after completing a sentence, we just again start from the left hand and move to right one. So when we move from left to right, this adjective will be the base, and this coordinate conjunction will be there if it connects same rank. If this is adjective, this word will also be an adjective, but make it sure word measure is a noun. If you know it well, if you know it, then word measure is a noun, but this is the coordinate conjunction which will connect to same ranks to equal ranks. So this will same or equal rank if you just use an adjective, and this adjective will be what? Measurely. Measurely will be used because we need an adjective to connect same ranks or equal ranks, right? So sentence will be this person is, speak like this. This person is rich but be measurely. Now sentence is okay. Let us move to the next sentence. He jumps from so high a building. He must be brave or fool. This word fool is an adjective. First adjective. This is coordinate conjunction, alternative conjunction, option choice. It describes this conjunction, coordinate conjunction, but it describes contrast or opposition. You know it very well, right? So if this is adjective, this must also be an adjective word, but word fool is a noun. I think you know it very well. Word fool is a noun. So to make it adjective, we just use a word foolish. Word foolish is an adjective, and by using adjective, now these both the words will be adjective, and now this coordinate conjunctions is able to connect to equal or same ranks. Are you getting my point? Yes. Are you getting my point? Sentence will be like, he jumps from so high a building. He must be brave or foolish. Now sentence is okay. Okay, let us learn. You have to reply ki what is the error part in the sentence. Now the sentence is, the child ate an apple, comma, a mango. The child ate an apple, comma, a mango, and washed his hands. This is the sentence. The child ate an apple, comma, a mango, and washed his hands. So what do you think of this sentence? What do you think of this sentence? The child ate an apple, a mango, and washed his hands. Let us learn. In this sentence, you know it very well. We have a subject, and the subject is what? Child. And what is the predicate? Ate an apple, comma, a mango, right? This is first clause. This is the first clause. And the subject of this first clause is what? Child. Okay, now subject becomes common, and washed his hands. Washed his hands, this word is the predicate, and the subject of this predicate is what? Subject, child. The child ate an apple, comma, a mango. Again the child washed his hands. So this subject and predicate, this is the second clause. This one is the clause second. And to connect two different clauses, this is the coordinate conjunction. This coordinate conjunction is going to connect two different verbs. First verb is this ate, and the second verb is what? Second verb is what? Washed. So this and conjunction is for to connect two different verbs, but we have also two different noun. This one is the noun first and this one is the noun two. And as we know, to connect two different noun, we need another conjunction over here, and to connect these two nouns we need another conjunction. And over here, if you just speak like this, the child ate an apple and a mango and washed his hands, now sentence will be okay. And we are learning, we are discussing coordinate conjunction. We have started a chapter conjunction that is very important from your exam point of view. So because I as I told you कि many questions from this chapter comes in the grammatical part, and when you deal with, you can say, comprehension part, you can when you deal with fillers or paragraph jumbles, in that part also conjunction helps a lot, right, to arrange the different paragraph jumbled, right? And when you talk about fillers, in fillers also conjunction helps a lot to do with. Okay, so let us discuss another sentence. If I speak like, if I say a sentence, if I say this man likes, this man likes watching TV, comma, listening songs, visiting strange places, and make new friends. Make new friends. This is a sentence. And what do you think of this sentence? The sentence is, this man likes watching TV, listening songs, and after that visiting strange places and make new friends. Okay, in this sentence we know it very well. After this verb likes, we have first form plus ing, and this first form plus ing, after combining first form plus ing, it becomes a gerund. It becomes gerund, and this one is the gerund first. And after that, if you just observe, listening songs, this one is also gerund, and this one is the gerund second. This word visiting strange places, this is also gerund, and this one is the gerund third, right? Visiting strange places, this coordinate conjunction. But this word make new friends, this is the verb. Make new friends is a verb. This is the first gerund, second gerund, third gerund. This is the coordinate conjunction. And as we know, coordinate conjunction are those which connect same ranks or equal ranks of structure. Before conjunction, coordinate conjunction, you have a gerund, so it means you have to add two equal ranks or same ranks. So for doing that, you have to make this verb, you have to make this verb gerund. So to make this verb gerund, just speak like or write like making new friends, and by doing this it becomes gerund. This gerund is fourth, and whenever you have different four words, you know it very well, we connect second last word with the last word, right? So by connecting third gerund with fourth gerund with the help of a coordinate conjunction, and now this sentence will be okay. By doing this, we can say coordinate conjunction connect equal ranks of structures or same ranks of structure. By doing this, you can only say, right? Are you getting my point? Okay, let's move to the next question. If I speak like this, if I say this man doesn't like watching TV, listening songs, visiting strange places, visiting strange places and making new friends. Okay, what do you think of this sentence? Yes. What do you think of this sentence? This man doesn't like watching TV, listening songs, visiting strange places, and making new friends. Yes, I want a reply from your side. I want you to reply in the sentence. And as we know, after this verb does not like, we have a gerund. Gerund is what? Gerund, first gerund is watching TV. Okay, listening songs. This one is also a gerund. And this one is the gerund second. Okay, visiting strange places. This one is also a gerund. And this one is the gerund third. And is a coordinate conjunction, and making new friends is also a gerund. And this one is the gerund fourth. And as you know, coordinate conjunction connect same cases. Coordinate conjunction connect same cases. Before this and we have a gerund visiting strange places, and after conjunction we have another gerund making new friends. But remember, this sentence is negative because of this word does not like. This sentence is negative, and make it sure we in negative sentence we don't use a coordinate conjunction. And is a conjunction which always add more than one words, right? And always add adds more than one words, right? But in negative sentence we can't talk about adding the things. We can't talk about, you can say, adding the different nouns. In negative sentence we can't add, right? This is the negative sentence. So in negative sentence we always talk about alternate, we always talk about option, we talk about choice. So to use this, to replace this conjunction with elate, you can say alternative conjunction, just speak like or. The reason is in negative sentences we don't add words, we just talk about alternative, we talk about option, choice. So replace and with or. Now sentence will be okay, sentence will be fine. Sentence will be like, this man does not like watching TV, listening songs, visiting strange places, or making new friends. Now sentence will be okay. Yes, are you getting my point? Yes, are you getting my point, guys? Do you have any doubt? Okay, let's move to the next question. Another sentence you have, if I say your success depends on your efforts, comma, your perseverance, and how hard you work. Your success depends on your efforts, your perseverance, and how hard you work. Yes, the sentence is, your success depends on your efforts, your perseverance, and how hard you work. Okay, let us discuss this sentence. As we know, in this sentence, word your efforts, this one is the noun and this is the first noun, right? Your perseverance, this is also noun, this is also noun, this is the second noun, and is a coordinate conjunction. And after this coordinate conjunction, this subject and predicate. This subject and predicate is a clause. This subject and predicate is a clause. So when this conjunction becomes coordinate conjunction, according to the definition, when it connects same ranks, equal ranks of structure, it will become a coordinate conjunction. But right now this is not performing the process of coordinate conjunction. This is not a coordinate conjunction actually, because it is not connecting the same ranks or equal ranks. When you just make same ranks or equal ranks, then it will perform as a coordinate conjunction. How it will become coordinate conjunction in right manner? Before this conjunction you have a word noun second, this is the first noun. If you just use a noun after this coordinate conjunction, then we can say this coordinate conjunction is connecting equal ranks of structures, or you can say same ranks of structure. So you mean to say you will have to change this clause into noun, right? And to make this clause a noun, speak like your hard work, your hard work. If you just say your hard work, now it becomes noun third, and this is the noun second, this is the noun third, and before this coordinate conjunction you have a noun, after this coordinate conjunction you have a noun. Now it is connecting equal ranks, same ranks of structure, and the sentence will be okay, sentence will be fine. I hope you are getting my point. Okay, let us move to the first slide. In the first slide, in the first not in the first slide in the first sentence of coordinate conjunction, the first sentence of coordinate conjunction is what? This is the first sentence. This person is rich but miserly, right? This person is rich but miserly. So what is the issue over here? Make it sure. If I say you have a word man, right? Woman, man, woman, right? Miser, right? Coward, okay? We have a word king, heaven. Make it sure all these words are noun in nature. All these words are noun in nature. And whenever you add suffix ly, whenever you add suffix ly with a noun, make it sure after adding ly with a noun, it becomes what? It becomes manly, or you can say now womanly, right? Or another word miserly, or next word is will become what? Cowardly. Or again, if you just talk about this one is kingly, and here we have a word heavenly, right? make it sure make it sure after connecting ly with a noun, now this become adjective, now this word become adjective, right? And we have some other words also, like if I say brave, if I say clever, if I say different, right? Different, or you can say easy, or you can say fierce, right? Or if I say strong, honest, so many words we have. All these words are adjective in nature. All these words are adjective in nature. And whenever you add ly with all these adjectives, whenever you add suffix ly with all these adjectives, now these words become what? These words become like brave plus ly will be bravely, right? And cleverly. Next word will be differently, right? Or if I say easily, Next word is fiercely, right? Fiercely means in a dangerous way, in a dangerous manner, fiercely, right? And the last word is strongly. And the point is, whenever you add ly with an adjective, now all these words become adverb. All these words become adverb, and it happens in 95% of the words. In 95% of the words, when you add ly with an adjective, it becomes adverb. But some of the 5% words we also have, like whenever you add ly with that type of nouns, with 5% of the nouns, when you add ly, all these words become adjective. So ly is generally an adverb suffix. Ly is generally an adverb suffix. And how this adverb becomes? By adding ly with adjectives. But some of the 5% words are here which will get ly as suffix, but these suffix are adjective suffixes, not adverb suffixes. And when these are adjective suffixes, these words are formed with the connecting noun plus ly, right? Noun plus ly, 5% of the words, these are adjectives, but in 95% words, ly is an adverb suffix, and these ly suffixes are added with an adjective and they become adverb. So this is the type first, coordinate conjunction. In the next class we shall discuss correlative conjunctions and subordinate conjunctions. Both are very important from exam point of view, right? And by doing this, we shall complete the entire chapter. In next classes, in next many classes, we shall also discuss, you can say, parajumbles, fillers we shall discuss, and some of the vocabulary part also. Vijay, hello, good evening, Vijay. So now it's enough from my side, and I just keep my finger close for you, right? Keep sharing, keep subscribing the channel Crack Grade B if you haven't subscribed yet, and keep posting, keep sharing these videos with all your friends and relatives. So it's enough for today. Meet in the next class. You have your classes of English Monday to Friday at 5 p.m. So be here at 5 p.m. and subscribe the channel. So it's enough for today. Take care. Goodbye. Love you all. Thank you.